Hi, Regina here. I want to talk to you about the term persevere. It's very common within personal development and it's really a good tool for you to use. I have my English dictionary here. I bought it in London for many years ago, and some words is in Latin as well. What it means in Latin, and that helps me a lot since English is my second language. To persevere, what does that mean? It means keep going with determination in the face of hardship or difficulty. Perseverance is also derived from that. Latin per means through, and servus is servere. So through, keep going with determination through difficulties or hardship. And when you know that there will be hardship or difficulties on your way to success, whatever success is to you, you decide what you want to achieve. So if we know that there will be hardship and difficulties, since the road to success is not a straight line like this, it's kind of a bumpy road and with some pitfalls and things you need to expose to really get ahead and to reach your goals in life. So if you know that there will be hardship, you will not be surprised that there will be hardship. Then knowing that will that help you to persevere, since perseverance is such an important term within personal growth and personal development. Then you identify, okay, this is a difficulty that I need to go through to be able to reach my goals. And what is so good with difficulties is that kind of train your determination, and you will also grow when you go through difficulties. You will have to show that you really want this, that this is something that you're really not just saying. You have to show it, and you show it by handling and follow through despite hardship or difficulties. And you will learn a lot, you will gain strength from it, and you will also gain insights during the journey, and you will also find a lot of motivation when you have gone through it, since you have gone through so many things. So you find it as a motivation and also as proof to yourself that I am worth this. Since I have gone through so many tough times or difficulties or challenges, so I am worth this when you reach your goals or part goals along the way. So that is why it's so, it also is a good thing that there is difficulties and struggles, since then you will feel that you deserve it when you get there, and you will also be more grateful for it. Because if you just get everything you want in life, you will sit there and you will not feel grateful. Despite that you have everything around you, you will kind of say, because you haven't worked for it. So it's kind of something that's really important, that you work for what you want. And then you also will say, okay, I deserve this since I've worked for it. I have put down effort, I have done my job. So, and this is kind of my payment that I received, I reached my goals. So to be determined is of course very important. I will do this. And that's why I'm also so much for talking about creating your own plan, make a 5-year plan or a 10-year plan, and really customize what you want to achieve the upcoming 5 to 10 years. And then you will know, okay, and that is kind of another video about how to create those plans. But when you have your plan and you put it into action, then you also will be more determined. You know that. Even you know that, okay, this will not be a walk in the park. This will require some strength from my part to play the role, to take myself to where I want to go, who I want to become. There is some struggle, of course there is, and challenges, there will be. So being aware of that, there will be challenges, but that you will grow with them and you will gain strength through it or by it. Thanks to the difficulties, you will gain strength. And there will always be options for you during those difficult times. So you need to persevere. I will have another video about another important term within personal development or personal growth that is also very crucial. But this word persevere is very important to understand and kind of take into when you calculate the cost, so to speak. What will it cost you? But you will gain so much as well. So view my other videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.